po ng aking pinanggalingan. Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Hi, hello mabuhay! This is Irish Pastiho from the home of the beauty queen, amazing show Boracay, Balabat, Mali Aklan. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang crush ng bayan, pinagkakaguluhan ng mga kalalakihan, inosente sa bangin pero hayop ang dating. Miss Irish Pastiho na nagsasabi, if you have it, show it nang mamatay sila sa inggit. And I always believe, if you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, this is my costume inspired from the city of the South, Cebu City Sinulog Festival. Hiling mo, isiyaw mo kay Senyor Santo Niño. Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Happy Fiesta Barangay Park! Daghang salamat!
There you have it, winning candidate number 12 representing Sinulog Festival.